GoTechUp Artec Robo is an innovative online robot programming simulator brought to you by Artec in partnership with TechUp Kids Learning in Malaysia. GoTechUp features a sophisticated curriculum consisting of robot programming lessons and challenges for kids from elementary to high school. You will code in a beginner-friendly, Scratch-like block programming environment, perfect for learning the basics of coding from one's home. Let's start exploring how it looks. Our simulator offers over 140 step-by-step lessons with many more in development. In beginner level lesson 1, you will start learning how to code with blocks. Once you start the lesson, an automated tutorial would provide you with all the knowledge and advice to allow you to start programming your virtual Artec Robo in order to clear the goal of the lesson. You can always check your score from My Score to see what you have learned during each lesson and how well you performed. There will also be special missions and tests to ensure that one properly understands the points and content of every lesson. The fully 3D view will give you a clear idea on how to solve each challenge. It will allow you to rotate 360 degrees to check your surroundings before starting the mission. Be careful when setting your servo motor angles. Setting them too high will cause the virtual Artec Robo to fall just like a real robot. You will have to find the right values for every element to complete each lesson. You can select the language on the top right of the screen. We now offer English, Japanese, Malay, and traditional Chinese with simplified Chinese, Spanish, Portuguese, and Russian, amongst many more in development. In 2021, the GoTechUp simulator will be featured in our annual Universal Robotics Challenge, an international robot programming competition for children from all over the world. GoTechUp Artec Robo is the perfect way for you to start your journey in the world of robot programming.